Hello guys, my name is Adam and I would like to share with you new feature our company does have: fuse service, HVAC, refrigeration, electrical and plumbing. So if you have done job with fuse with our company, we will be happy if you will share your post or storytelling in your social media. For every storytelling in your social media, maybe you have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Thumbtack, maybe Nextdoor, whatever, etc, etc. So if you will share story about us, how we've done the work, we will give you $5 for each post. The $5 gift card if you will send your screenshot about your posting to our email review@fuseservice.com, and after that you will automatically participate in our contest where you will be able to get $100 for more nicely review from all fuse fluencers. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope I will see your post with tag fuse service in our Instagram, Facebook, etc, etc, any social media you have. Just send us message with screenshot to review@fuseservice.com and you may get $100 for this wonderful post with review about our wonderful company. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.